In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view resource usage in Microsoft Project. Start by opening your project in Microsoft Project. Head to the View tab, then choose Resource Usage. This switches you into the main view designed for understanding who is doing what and when. You'll see each resource listed on the left with the tasks assigned to that person or role nested beneath. On the right, you'll see time-phased work values laid out by day or week, so you can quickly spot how much effort is planned over time. If any resource is over-allocated, their name or cells will appear in red, making problems easy to identify at a glance. This is the best view for analyzing workload because it frames your plan by resource first, rather than by task. To dig deeper, keep resource usage open and go to the Format tab. Click Details, then turn on Work, Actual Work, Remaining Work, and Over-allocation. Work shows the planned effort. Actual work shows what's already been recorded, and remaining work shows what's left to do. Turning on over-allocation in the details helps you confirm exactly where conflicts occur in the timeline. With these details visible, you can see not just who is busy, but whether the workload reflects plan versus reality and how much still needs to be completed. If the grid feels dense, adjust the timeline. Use the zoom slider in the bottom right corner to switch between daily, weekly, or monthly views. Or go to View, then Zoom to pick a specific scale. Zooming in to days is great for short, intense assignments. Zooming out to weeks or months helps you understand overall trends and capacity. To check over-allocations quickly, stay in the resource usage view and scan for red text. Those red indicators highlight resources with more work than their capacity in the selected time period. If your list is long, right-click to sort or filter so you can bring over-allocated resources to the top and focus your review. A few important tips as you work. If you don't see hours in the timescale, turn on the details options for work and actual work. If the data feels confusing, consider switching between task usage and resource usage to view workload from the task perspective versus the resource perspective. And always confirm your timescale, daily versus weekly, so the numbers match the level of detail you need. With these techniques, you'll confidently read resource workload, spot issues early, and keep your project on track.